Have you had these undercover chocolate quinoa snacks? I love these things. I can eat a whole bag in a few minutes, but after 4 bags, it adds up. So I decided to just figure out how to make it at home. Let me share this simple recipe with you. The first step is I'm going to go ahead and put this gas on. It's on very low heat. And I'm going to pour about 1 cup of quinoa. This is already washed and dried. I'm going to go ahead and pour this in. I'm just going to dry roast this for about 5 minutes and I'll stir this often because I don't want this to burn, but I want to make sure that most of the quinoa gets popped. And you will hear this popping. Shh! Can you hear the popping? You will notice the quinoa getting darker in color and will also be lighter and easier to stir. Can you hear all the popping? Okay, now I got about a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips and I'm going to put this in here and melt this in the micro for like about a minute or so. Now that the chocolate is nice and melted, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of truffle oil. This truffle oil is infused with olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, or even ghee are good. This is just my replacement for butter. Then add about 1 tablespoon of maple syrup to the melted chocolate and do taste this. You can also add 2 drops of milk for a smoother paste. Let me show you how this looks like. Now pour the quinoa in the melted chocolate and mix this slowly. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and this will give a nice strong bitter taste to it. You can always add some more chocolate and sweetness to this as well. Make sure all the quinoa is used and stir this up until everything is combined. On a tray that fits in the fridge, put some parchment paper over it, scoop a spoon of this mixture and flatten it. So I got this all done and now I'm going to put this in the fridge for about half an hour or an hour. You can check it along the way. And I can't wait. Okay guys, I just got this from the fridge and look at it. Look at all that. Okay, so now, how did I get this idea? Because I saw this in the grocery store and this was $5. And I'm thinking, I ate it and I said, I can make this, and I did. So now I'm going to try and taste this one versus what's in this, which has similar ingredients, but if it's the same, therefore we can just go ahead and make it instead of buying this for $5. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I know how this tastes like, but let me try it anyways. It's a Rice Krispie treat. Okay, I just taste rice. I taste the chocolate and the sweetness. Now let me try one of these. And look at the shape of this too. And it's thin, not too bad. And it's cold now because it was in the fridge. This has more chocolate in it. It's so good, so satisfying. Can you see it? This is the same, except this way I can really tell this is more richer. I added some more things to the chocolate. I added some vanilla essence. You can add different things to it. You can make it your own. You can add, if you have coffee, you can add some coffee to it. You can add rose water. But this is so good. So healthy. Thank you for watching this, guys. Hope you make this. This is so simple to make. You saw it. It's so simple. Just 3 ingredients and it was done. It's so healthy. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, and it's so good for you too. So how can you not eat it? I had so much of protein in this as well. You can add some nuts to this too if it agrees with you. You can add raisins in here as well. But you will love this. This is so good. Your kids will like it. You can add anything they like. You can add whatever they like. Thank you for watching this, guys. Please give this a like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free recipes, and have a great day. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.